Welcome back to our AdMaster Cloud tutorial series. If you missed our previous video guiding you through the essential steps of setting up a campaign, you can catch up by clicking the link on your screen. As a quick recap, AdMaster provides 3 distinct methods for scheduling a campaign: static scheduling, allowing you to select specific hours; variable scheduling, where you set day parts and plays dynamically; and manual scheduling, a method where every aspect is handled manually. In this tutorial, we're turning our attention to manual scheduling. Let's jump right in. The manual scheduling process is initiated similarly to static or variable scheduling. You start by determining the campaign name and number, selecting the customer, processing the spots, and reviewing business separation. The interface prompts you to choose the starting and ending dates, similar to the other scheduling methods. All these steps have been covered in a separate video tutorial. Contrary to static and variable scheduling, which can include multiple campaign segments, the schedule is set manually in a single segment. Here's how. In the manual scheduling window, you'll find the spots included in the campaign at the top. Rows represent hours, and columns represent dates. If a campaign starts on the current date, you can only add spots to future hours. The slider below doesn't affect scheduling, it's there to keep the interface organized. The process is straightforward. Select a spot and click on the corresponding cell to schedule it. Clicking on the scheduled spot removes it from the schedule. For example, Tuesday at 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. To schedule the second spot, click the button next to it and click on the corresponding cell. Tuesday at 11 a.m. Note that both spots A and B will be scheduled for the same hour. As you add more plays, the plays and the total duration in seconds are displayed here. To schedule a spot more than once in the hour, right-click the selection to access the settings for the number of plays in the hour, the break selection within the hour, and special positioning inside the break. Clicking the Save button saves your manual schedule, and saving draft as campaign prepares traffic log to be sent to your playout PC. Thanks for your attention. More videos are coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy broadcasting!